All Parties Hurriyat Conference has restated its enduring stance on the urgent necessity for a fair resolution of the Kashmir dispute. According to Kashmir Media Service, APHC spokesman Advocate Abdul Rashid Minhas, in a statement issued in Srinagar, called upon the international community, particularly the UN Secretary General, to intervene and urge India to halt its policy of the military aggression, human rights violations and arbitrary detentions in the occupied territory. President of the People's Democratic Party Mehbooba Mufti, in a statement in Srinagar, denounced the Modi-led Bharatiya Janata Party government for using passport as an instrument of suppression against the dissenting voices. Mufti's remarks follow the deportation of a British academic, Natasha Kaul, from the Bangalore airport. Gulf nations have enforced a ban on the Bollywood film Article 370 despite the Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi's full support for the movie. The film's ban reflects concerns over its propaganda portrayal of the UN-designated Kashmir dispute. High Court of Occupied Kashmir has nullified the detention orders against the 5 Kashmiri youth under the Public Safety Act, ordering their immediate release from the jail. APHC AJK chapter issued an urgent appeal to the Secretary General of the Organization of Islamic Cooperation, informing him about the plight of the Kashmiri detainees languishing in the Indian jails. He urged him to utilize the good offices for the settlement of the Kashmir dispute.